Oh, take some of that. Take some of that sauce. Oh, oh, look at that. Oh, and just put over a little bit of that cream. Oh, look at that. Hi everyone, welcome back to the show. Welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we are going to make a sticky toffee date pudding. We're using Chef Mike. We're going to do it quickly. It's a fantastic sticky toffee date pudding. Let's start with some dates. Let's show you how to do it right now. So we have some pitted dates here. All we need to do is we need to slice through them. We want nice slices of date. Now you could even go through again and you could have those little cubes. Now once we got the cubes in a bowl, you want a little bit of water in there, about a teaspoon of baking soda. Give it a mix up. Cling wrap or cling film, whatever you know it by. Cover the top. 2 little holes like that. And Chef Mike is going to cook this for about 1 minute. In we go. In there. 1 minute. Okay then, to our bowl, we've got our butter in there. We're going in there with our eggs. Now everything's going to get dumped in this bowl and we're just going to whiz it all up. That's our brown sugar. That's our golden syrup. Going in there with our flour, our baking powder. And we want to go in with about 4 tablespoons of milk. 1, 2, 3, 4. Beater on, whiz it all up. Now we don't need to overbeat it, that's okay. And then what we want to do, careful, this will be hot. So that's our date mixture, look, cooked in there, soft, delicious. Now what we're going to do, we're going to add that to our bowl of mix. So it's all in there, look, all we got to do now is stir that in. Stir it in our mix. Oh, look at that. Bit of butter in the bowl and we need to rub that round that bowl. Grease up your bowl all the way around. We don't want this pud to actually stick in there. It's got to drop out. Batter in. Little shaky shaky. Let's see if we can bring all that down. Cling wrap. Cling wrap this time not too tight. Sort of lift it up, bring it up a bit. This thing is going to rise. Okay, Chef Mike in there. On. 5 minutes. Okay, out it comes. Oh my word. Now it's started to cook up there, but it's going to have to go back in for another 5 minutes. It will sink down. Ooh, that's hot. But it's not cooked in the middle at all, okay? It starts to cook all around the outside. So we'll just put those air holes in there. And this is going back in. Let's get that back in there. Ooh, another 5. Now all microwaves vary. This is only a 700 watt microwave, so you know, if you're 1000 watt, it could well be done a lot quicker than this one. Ping! Oh, let's have a look in here. Oh, now we're talking. Oh, let's stick that skewer in there. That skewer is completely clean. That is cooked. All we're going to do is put that to one side, and we're going to make a nice caramel sauce. Right, what we need to be doing, we need to be knocking up a caramel sauce. So we want to get a flame on, not too high. And we want to be going in there with our butter. So get our butter in. Start to melt the butter in there. And then we want to be going in there with our sugar. Go in there with our golden syrup. And we want a little bit of salt. This is going to be like a salted caramel. In with a little bit of vanilla. Now this is a really quick buttery caramel sauce. So we don't have to cook this for so long. We're just having a sauce to go over our sponge pud. Oh, oh, that smell coming out of there. Oh, you're kidding me. You are kidding me. That smells fantastic. And then we want to be going in there with our cream. So you just need to be cooking this sauce for a little bit. You doesn't have to cook for so long. You know, if you want a really thick sauce, just cook the heck out of it. If you just want a nice runny sauce that runs all over your pud, just cook it a little bit. Oh, I think that's about enough. We'll have that flame off. Oh, definitely. Oh, it smells fantastic. Okay, we need to serve it up. Oh, let's have this off here. Wow, look at that. Plate over. 1, 2, 3. Oh, look at that. Spongy. Oh, take some of that. Take some of that sauce. Oh, oh, look at that. That is absolutely amazing. That's hot. Oh, look in there. Oh, yes, please. Oh, and just put over a little bit of that cream. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh, that is awesome. That is a fantastic caramel sauce. Creamy, unbelievable. Really easy 10-minute pudding cooked with Chef Mike. Incredible. If you like what we're doing, don't forget to smash that like and subscribe, share with your friends, all that kind of stuff. Catch you in the next video.